I don't usually complain that much, right? But I need to share and vent a little about this product. Weiser's Powerbolt 1 keyless entry touchpad deadbolt. I bought this at Home Depot, installed it on the door of a client's wine cellar, used her birthday as the code, tested it thoroughly, and locked it up and left. So Friday evening, she calls me, and then we FaceTimed, and one of the numbers just doesn't work. Number 3 is non-responsive. I'm telling you, well, press harder, press different, use your knuckle, use a thumb, use a tool. It just doesn't work. So today I installed a proper deadlock and a key. That's done. Installing this, buying it and installing it is my fault. I should have read the reviews. It seemed okay. This is Weiser. Reviews are horrendous, by the way. 2.5 stars out of 5. And for some really weird reason, out of the 17 that are in stock at this very moment at my local Home Depot, 12 of the boxes have been opened and resealed. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a good sign. Anyway, these aren't ping pong balls or salad tossing utensils. These are critical components for safety, right? So maybe, people, don't buy this, don't install it. Home Depot, remove these from your shelves, read the reviews, and Weiser, recall these. Yeah, I guess I was complaining.